All right, it was nice to meet you. Thank you so much for meeting you in person. Thank you so much for going over the entire project. Thank you so much for opening your house for me. I'm an exchange, and thank you so much for seeing me as an option to give you support. So I appreciate that. All right, let me just tell you what's gonna be the next steps. Whatever you choose, whatever the path you choose. If you path the option with the 10% down, pushing the schedule, start the right away the process, knowing the timeline, packaging and everything. If that's the road you take, my team will get back to you with next steps. Easy enough. If you're just in the design phase, Freddy, I'm not ready to move forward with that. I just want to be able to see the 2D render, the 3D render. I need to see my space, how to maximize my budget. From there, make a decision. No problem. So what's gonna happen for you is in about same thing with option number one. So in about a week, we're gonna get back to you with a high level budget. So based on what I hear, with a couple of 2D plans. Now to make sure that happens, we're gonna send a 2D plans just to make sure you have full understanding. It looks something like this. There's going to be existing layout of yours, and then it's going to be, see that existing layout, and then something like this. This is what's going to give you an idea of the floor plan. From what I hear, what we can do. Now again, if it's just a bathroom remodeling, it's going to be obviously more basic like that, right? More like that, just this area. What the layout may look like. Plus, in total of 7 days, a week from the time I get, we're gonna get back to you with the high level budget. High level budget means once you pick the 2D plans, high level budget, we're gonna assume a lot of things. For example, based on the picture you share with me that fill up. By the way, we're gonna send a formularium where I need to understand a little more about you and your tests, things like that. So based on that, we can give you more direction. If as soon as you fill that up, sooner we can get back to you. But right before that, we're gonna be able to start working on and clearing the budget. With that formulary, my team can really build better budgeting for you. This is high level budgeting, an idea of what we could spend on a bigger project or just a bathroom remodeling. And that week, we're gonna set up another appointment. I'm gonna go over the budget, what the space may look like, what the investment may look like for your project. Now, once you approve that, say, Freddy, this is good. Then we're gonna give some guidance, and we're gonna set up appointments for you to come to the showrooms. In the showroom, you actually can pick the actual material and see, okay, this is what I like this, and whatever it is. We want to make sure we give you the guidance, but you are free to pick your material. We don't want to force you for anything. You pick something a little more expensive, it's gonna change the budget a little bit. If something a little expensive, change the budget, it's gonna change a little bit. So it's on you. Now, when you do all the selections, we're gonna start working on the render. The render, it looks like this. See that? It looks actually like this. Full space with all your selections. Now, with that, we're gonna present to you a final render. That takes 2 weeks. So remember, in a couple of days, you're gonna have a floor with 2D plans. In a week, we're gonna bring you back a high level budget. Have a meeting. If you're okay with the number, we go to the selections. We give you, it depends on the size of the project, we give you a week up to 3 weeks if it's a full home remodeling. As fast as you do that, then we go into the render. The render takes about 2 weeks. If it's one small project, it takes about a week. Depends on the size of the project. If it's a full home, it takes about 2 weeks to 3 weeks at the same time. But all that information we will be able to share with you right when you say, Freddy, let's move forward. Now, if it's Freddy, none of those things I did it. I just want you to, give me some information. I'm already there. I went over the process. I have your dimensions. I know what's important for you. I really know exactly what can I offer to you. And I'm going to send you a report of what I found and the solutions for your problem. And the report is going to be in type of budgeting or quotes, high level quote. It's going to be you can sign, you can agree to this. It's more to give you an idea what the solutions, what the cost investment requires. Something it's going to has a breakdown like this. But unfortunately, because we don't really know what your selections, we can't commit to deliver something like that because we don't know if you really like those the one we assume for you. For example, the tiles. It's gonna have everything has to have picture. But with this, you're gonna be able to compare apples to apples. Now, that plus we're gonna give you, if it's small project, a 2D plan, one of existing, one of what we hope in this. After I hear with you what you like to do, an idea what that may look like. So that way you can have information that can help you to make the right decision and choose the right company for your needs. So I just don't want to come over just to come to your home. I want to come, I can bring value, I can help you to make this process easier. Now at the same time, you can have access to our portal 24/7 for the rest of your life. All the information is going to be saved there, and once you decide to move forward, we'll just take from there wherever you at. All right, thank you so much again. So just to recap quickly, if you decide to put your schedule to project in your schedule, we start the project right away. We back engineer everything. We start the design phase and the entire process. If you only decide to do the design phase, I'm explaining to you, what is going to involve into the first option as well. It's take dimensions, 2D plans, go through the budget, giving you sharing with your formulary that you can fill up. Based on that, we'll give you the right guidance, and we're going to design your project with your budget in mind. From there, we're going to go into the render. You can see it, so you can tweak it to maximize your budget. If you didn't pick that option, it's going to be just coming over. It's not just coming over, inspecting everything, make sure there's no surprises, understand what's important from you, who make decisions, plus get back to you with a 2D plan and also with high level budgeting. Like I said, assuming a few things that from based on what I hear, so you get to understand what actually the investment may look like before you commit to any of those. All right, thanks so much, and I'm looking forward to hear from you. I'm looking forward to going through the process. Sorry about that. Thank you so much again to meet you in person and allow me to be part of your family and part of this process. Take care.